Tiny but mighty, a warrior in the sky. Oddity RC XI25 with a twinkle in its eye. 2.5 inches, where Cinewhoop so small. Packing a punch ready to answer the call. Flips and dives, through the air it flies, capturing moments with the drone's keen eyes. Fast and agile, a blur in the breeze. The XI25, a master of ease. Lightweight and nimble, a dancer in the breeze, navigating tight spaces with effortless ease. FPV goggles on, the world a surreal sight, a symphony of motion, a captivating flight. Flips and dives, through the air it flies, capturing moments with the drone's keen eyes. Fast and agile, a blur in the breeze. The XI25, a master of ease. From urban jungles to landscapes so grand, the XI25 conquers with a camera in hand. A cinematic masterpiece in every single frame, capturing the beauty, playing out the game. Flips and dives, through the air it flies, capturing moments with the drone's keen eyes. Fast and agile, a blur in the breeze. The XI25, a master of ease. So if you're looking for a drone that's more than right, the Oddity RC XI25 will take you to new heights with its compact size and features so grand. This Cinewhoop superstar is ready to command. Tiny but mighty, a warrior in the sky. Oddity RC XI25 with a twinkle in its eye. 2.5 inches, where Cinewhoop so small. Packing a punch ready to answer the call. Flips and dives,